Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica, and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So guys, today we are making our Stimulating Hair Growth Tonic with some of our most favorite Ayurvedic ingredients. It's super easy to make, contains just 4 ingredients that are jam-packed with moisturizing elements, strengthening properties, and hair growth benefits. So if you like the sound of this, please keep watching. So guys, the first ingredient we'll be using today is fresh ginger. Ginger is known to improve scalp circulation while stimulating hair follicles to encourage longer and stronger hair. Ginger has several vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, which help in strengthening and improving hair quality, in turn promoting longer and stronger hair. The second ingredient that we'll be using today are cloves. Cloves are known to contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that often add to the growth and strength of the hair. It contains a property called eugenol, which helps to boost hair growth, strengthen, repair, and add shine to the hair. Today we'll be using just 1 teaspoon of cloves. The third ingredient we'll be adding today is star anise. Star anise is a sweetly scented spice that is rich in antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. It helps to really soothe the scalp, it strengthens the hair roots, and it is very powerful for hair growth. Today we'll be using just 1 teaspoon of star anise. Last ingredient we'll be using today is hibiscus. Guys, this is one of our all-time favorite ingredients. We've used it a lot in our hair oils and hair teas within the past year. Hibiscus leaves and flowers contain a high amount of mucilage, which acts as like a natural conditioner. It helps restore elasticity to your hair. It makes your hair silky and smooth and prevents split ends. Hibiscus is also known to improve the buildup of keratin and boost the formation of new hair follicles. It thereby stimulates hair growth, it thickens your hair strands, and reduces hair fall. Today we'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of hibiscus flowers. Once the tea has finished brewing within the 10 to 15 minutes time frame, we let it cool down and then we transfer it to a glass jar or a teapot to sit for further infusion overnight. This hair tea is super easy to make. It is highly potent and a strengthening agent to hair strands. It is the perfect solution if you're experiencing slow hair growth, if you have any bald patches that are so stubborn and they refuse to grow, if you have any kind of hair breakage, hair shedding, any kind of also scalp issues like dandruff and itchiness. This is the perfect hair tea to use. So guys, it's the next day and the hair tea is darker and a richer berry color. It is fully infused, and now we're going to proceed to drain it and transfer into a spray bottle. This hair tea can be used 2 to 3 times a week, followed up with a hair oil to seal in that moisture. Do ensure to massage it onto your scalp once applied, and then also the body of your hair. In terms of the lifespan of this hair tea, you can store it in the fridge after use. The lifespan is like 7 to 10 days, but it lasts longer if it is frozen. So guys, hope you guys like this hair tea recipe. Feel free to comment down below what you think, if you're going to try it. If you also have a similar hair tea in mind, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.